Okay. Here we are at room 4212 at the Majestic Mirage. This is your room tour. This is a one-bedroom suite. It has a half bath right at the entrance. There is a room service door here so that you open this to put your stuff in, and then they come and collect it from the other side. Coming into the entrance, beautiful decor. This is the living area. Very spacious, sectional couch. On this side, we have a TV. In this closet is the mini bar area. So we have a coffee maker, tea kettle, mini fridge. It's got the sodas, juice, water, and some Presidente beer. And a wine chiller, so you can keep your vino cold. The room does come with a couple of bottles. You can request something else if you want. This is all inclusive. And behind these two sliding double doors, it's a lovely little table for your room service, is the bedroom area. King bed, double sinks, does come with some body creams. There's a hair dryer. There's a scale if you want to see how much you put on during this vacation. So, over here is our walk-in closet. So you've got lots of storage space with the shelves, bathrobe, slippers, steamer, and a safe. Behind these two doors is the walk-in shower. We've got double rain showers. Again, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And behind this door is the water closet. And complimentary is 2 polo shirts, a couple of ball caps, and a beach bag. Moving out to the balcony, we have a pool facing, because they do face both sides of the building. Huge balcony overlooking the pool. It wraps around toward the bedroom, and we have an outdoor jacuzzi. We're in 4212, building 4, closest to the beach, with somewhat of an ocean view through those trees, and right next to the seaside restaurant. Call Conrigo Travel Group when you want to come here.